Okay, so this is my setup. I have lights, I have my monitor, I have a webcam, I have my speakers, my keyboard, a secondary light, a tablet that works as a second monitor, and a headset and mouse, and my computer all the way down there. This is my backdrop. You don't know, I quite like motorsport and F1 just a little bit. From here, we're onto the OBS setup. So this is my starting screen. And as you can see, I was messing with some commands before I did this. There's my face cam. Hi! This is my gameplay screen, my other gameplay screen, my screen. This is a slightly wider face cam, and that's my be right back. And finally, my ending soon. So that's me again. Hi. And I'm about to show you my list of commands. Since recording this, I've come up with a couple more, so if you want to go check this out, you can do !command. Crazy. These are all the things that I have set up on my OBS, if that's of interest to any of you. So this is my Twitch. Those are some streamers that I suggest watching when they stream, and if they stream. This is my About Me section, with all my panels. I love my panels to bits. I like how pretty they look. My schedule, as you can see, there's nothing, and as you can see, I have no videos because I don't stream yet. This is what my offline looks like, and I know it says schedule, but there isn't a schedule yet. Trust, it's what I hope to be a schedule at some point. Anyway, goodbye.